I'm Mike Fancher. I'm the founder of Seattle Divorce Services. My job here is really being the team leader, setting direction for the firm, thinking about the future, trying to kind of steer the ship and figure out the directions that we should be going in, both supporting all the attorneys that work here in their practices, as well as holding things together and figuring out where we need to be going. One of the things that I'm really passionate about is a belief in problem solving. I litigated for an awful lot of years and really saw the destruction that traditional family law process can cause to families. When all we're doing is fighting and going into court and hurling things back and forth, and when it is all just about winning, we may get some results that are good for our clients, but it really causes some results that are bad for our clients in terms of reduced relationships with their spouses. Very often, people are still going to be dealing with, encountering their spouses after the divorce is over. They may be co-parenting. They may be, still have friends in common. They may run into each other socially. The more that we can help preserve those relationships to some degree, so that they can move on with their lives without a big part of their life being poisoned, I really think is also in our clients' best interest. Instead of going in and trying to be the biggest bully in court, I really believe that we serve our clients best when we focus on that problem solving. Best solutions are ones that work for our clients, work for their children, and surprisingly work for the other side, because it's going to be more durable when the other side is truly bought in. It's going to make for a better ongoing relationship, and it's just going to work better for everyone when everybody is on board. I really believe strongly in what we call alternative dispute resolution. In lawyer parlance, court is the primary dispute resolution method. So alternative dispute resolution refers to methods outside of court. The reason that I believe in those is because they're about not so much having a third party make decisions for the clients. They're about helping the clients figure out solutions for themselves. When clients can figure out solutions for themselves, working together, solutions that they can come up with are more tailored to their particular situation. Something that a judge comes up with, they've got a limited amount of time, limited familiarity with the family and its issues, and they really don't have a choice but to apply sort of cookie cutter generic solutions. When a couple can sit down, and even though they've got significant disputes with each other, but can talk and share the things that are most important to them and start building solutions that are tailored to their needs, their interests, their desires, their family, they can come up with things that really work a lot better than what a court would be able to do. There are two processes that we use in our office. Mediation is primarily sitting down with a mediator, and they're guiding the two parties through a conversation with each other. Collaboration is kind of like mediation on steroids. It's a process of working with a whole professional team. Some people are very fine doing things for themselves and they just need a little guidance in the conversation. Mediation is appropriate for that. Some people need a lot more help and guidance getting through this conversation. And so in a collaborative process, they're working with a professional team that involves two lawyers, usually a divorce coach, somebody from a family therapy background, a financial specialist to help both spreadsheet and analyze their financial situation, as well as providing them financial information to help them make solid, important decisions. And often we'll have a parenting specialist to really help them look at what's going to work well for their children, what are going to be the best arrangements in parenting in terms of working for their children. So I really strongly believe in that collaborative process. The emphasis at Seattle Divorce Services is not on increasing conflict, it is on problem solving, and I think that is part of what sets us apart.